Dear student, in this video we will learn application of percentage, problem of worksheet 2, profit and loss percent, overhead expenses, etc. Now, what is profit? When selling price is greater than the cost price, then we get profit. 4. देखो, if selling price in short form we write SP greater than CP, then we get a profit. And profit is equal to SP minus CP. What is the profit percent? How to find profit percent? Profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit percent and loss percent are always calculated on the cost price. Second, if selling price is less than the cost price, then we get a loss. When selling price is less than the cost price, then we get a loss, and loss is equal to CP minus SP. And the loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100. Is it clear to everyone? Now, what is overhead expenses? Suppose the additional amount spent on transportation, rent, labor charge, repairing charge, etc. are known as overhead expenses, and overhead expenses are included in the cost price. Now, what is overhead expenses? Overhead expenses. What is overhead expenses? The additional amount spent on transportation, rent, labor charge, repairing charge. These are the painting charge. These are the overhead expenses. जो एडिशनल चार्ज हम लोग खर्च करते हैं, मान लो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में लग गया, लेबर लग गया, रेंट लग रहा है, रिपेयरिंग चार्ज है, ये सब जो एडिशनल चार्ज है, एडिशनल अमाउंट स्पेंड जो होता है, इसे हम लोग कहते हैं ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेस. देन ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेस, द एडिशनल अमाउंट spend on transportation, rent, labor charge, repairing etc. are known as overhead expenses. Overhead expenses are included in the cost price. Overhead expenses are included in the कॉस्ट प्राइस. जब भी ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेस ऐड होगा, कहाँ ऐड होगा? कॉस्ट प्राइस पे ऐड होगा. नाउ वी सी द वर्कशीट 2. नाउ वी स्टार्ट वर्कशीट 2 ऑफ यूनिट 5. पेज नंबर यहाँ लिख भी देता हूँ, पेज 95-96. ठीक है. In the first question, a shopkeeper purchased a pair of shoes for ₹800 and spent ₹20 on its box. A shopkeeper purchased a pair of shoes for ₹800 and spent ₹20 on the box. He sold it at a profit of 80. he sold at a profit of rupees 80. You have to find the actual price of the shoes, selling price of shoes, or profit or loss percent. So, solution in question number 1, the cost price of shoes is equal to rupees 800. A spend on box is equal to rupees 20. So actual cost price of box is equal to क्या होगा, रुपीज. हम अभी मैंने बताया ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेस आर इंक्लूडेड टू द कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो वी ऐड, then we get rupees 820. So पहला, so actual cost price of box is equal to 820. here given क्या है, प्रॉफिट क्या था, प्रॉफिट है रुपीज 80. प्रॉफिट क्या है, रुपीज 80 है. तो क्या होगा, सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ शूज इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा, सीपी प्लस प्रॉफिट. CP means what? Actual CP. So here actual CP is rupees 820 and profit is rupees 80. So we get rupees 900. Is it clear? Now third is profit or loss percent. Here we get profit of rupees 80. So profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. So you write profit rupees 80 and cost price is rupees 820 into 100. So कैंसिल करो, 0 0 कैंसिल, ये 4 टाइम्स में, ये 41 टाइम्स में. ये क्या होगा, 400 बाई 41. Is it clear to everyone? So 400 by 41%, this is the answer. Now in question number 2, in question number 2, 400 mangoes were purchased at rupees 125 per 100 and sold at a loss of rupees 100. You have to find the selling price of 1 dozen mangoes. ठीक है. Given that cost price of 100 mangoes is equal to rupees 125. So cost price of 400 mangoes क्या होगा, रुपीज 125 इंटू 4, दैट इज रुपीज 500. लॉस कितना है, रुपीज 100. सो सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 400 मैंगोज इक्वल टू क्या होगा, कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस लॉस. सो यू हैव टू राइट 500 माइनस 100 इक्वल टू रुपीज 400. इज इट क्लियर? सो सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 400 मैंगोज इक्वल टू 400. You have to find the selling price of 1 dozen mango. You know that 1 dozen is equal to 12. ठीक है. So selling price of 1 mangoes is equal to rupees 400 by 400. It means rupees 1. So selling price of 12 mangoes is equal to rupees 1 into 12 is equal to rupees 12. This is the answer. In question number 3, A man purchased a cell phone for rupees 2000 by paying rupees 200 more. He repaired its body case. If he sells the cell phone for rupees 2500, find the profit or loss percent. Here given that the cost price of cell phone, the cost price of cell phone is equal to rupees 2000. Rupees 2000. Money spent to replace the body case is equal to rupees 200. So the actual cost price, actual cost price of cell phone is equal to rupees 2000 plus rupees 200 is equal to rupees 2200. Given that the selling price of cell phone is equal to rupees 2500. Here selling price is greater than the cost price, so we get profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is 2500 minus 2200. So we get rupees 300. Now you have to find profit percent or loss percent. Here we get profit, so you have to find profit percent. So profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. Then you write here profit is 300 and the cost price is 2200 into 100. Cancel with this. It means 300 by 22, again cancel with 150 times and 11 times. So you get 150 by 11, divide them तो क्या हो जाएगा 13.7 by 11%. This is the answer. In question number 4, a man buys 5 dozen eggs at the rate rupees 36 per dozen. Out of 5% egg are broken. He sold remaining egg for rupees 48 per dozen. What was his total gain? Is it clear? So in solution you have to write cost price of 1 dozen egg is equal to rupees 36. So cost price of 5 dozen egg का cost price क्या होगा rupees 36 into 5, that is rupees 180. Is it clear? Given that now 5 dozen is equal to what? 5 into 12, that is 60. Given that 5% egg are broken, so number of egg broken is equal to 5% of number of egg broken is equal to 5% of 60. So 5 by 100 into 60, cancel with 20 times, 20 cancel with 3 times, so 3 egg. So 3 egg are broken, so 3 egg are broken. ठीक है. Now remaining, how many remaining egg? Remaining egg is equal to 60 minus 3, that is 57. Now given that the cost price of 1 dozen egg is equal to 48. given that cost price of 1 dozen egg is equal to 40 rupees 48. 1 dozen means what? 1 dozen means 12 egg. So since cost price of 12 egg is equal to rupees 48, so therefore cost price of 1 egg is equal to क्या होगा? रुपीज 48 बाई 12 इक्वल टू क्या होगा? रुपीज 4. So the cost price of how many remaining egg? 57 egg. So cost price of 57 egg is equal to rupees 4 into 57 is equal to rupees 228. Is it clear? Now here the ये सेलिंग प्राइस है. ये क्या है? सेलिंग प्राइस है. इज इट क्लियर? सो सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 1 dozen egg is equal to 48. So the selling price of 12 egg is equal to 48. Selling price of 1 egg is equal to rupees 4. Selling price of 57 egg is equal to rupees 228. Here cost price is given 180. कॉस्ट प्राइस इस क्या है? कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या था? 180 है और सेलिंग प्राइस क्या है? 228 है. ठीक है, तो क्या करोगे? तो प्रॉफिट क्या हो गया? प्रॉफिट हो गया तुम्हारा एसपी माइनस सीपी. तो 228 माइनस 180 इक्वल टू रुपीज 48. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड प्रॉफिट परसेंट. You have to find only profit. So rupees 48 be the answer. Now in question number 5, here Rahul buy an almirah for rupees 2000 and spend rupees 400 as its transportation charge. If he sell the almirah for rupees 3000, determine the profit percent. तो देखो क्या होगा? You have to write cost price of almirah equal to rupees 2000, transportation charge equal to rupees 400. So actual cost price of almirah इक्वल टू क्या होगा? रुपीज 2000 प्लस रुपीज 400, दैट इज रुपीज 2400. सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ almirah इक्वल टू रुपीज 3000. सो प्रॉफिट इक्वल टू क्या होगा? एसपी माइनस सीपी. सो रुपीज 3000 minus 2400, that is 600. Now you have to find profit percent. So profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. Here profit is rupees 600, CP is rupees 24 into 100. How many times? 4 times. 4 cancel with 100, 25 times. So profit percent is equal to 25%. This is the answer. Is it clear to everyone? Thank you and completed worksheet 2. Is it clear? Today's homework, you have to learn profit percent, loss percent, overhead expenses and do worksheet 2. Is it clear to everyone? Thank you.